Yeah, good morning, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, very good morning, friends. Let's
Morning.
start our session. So last class on Monday, we had a introduction about that course. Today, we are going to be start day one of the regular session. So firstly, we will see today what are the prerequisites to work with Java or Selenium. We will install all those things. First, we will install Java in your system. Then after Eclipse, and I'll show you how to create a project, packages, classes, everything we'll see in today's session. Friends, here to install Java, currently we have Java 21 version is available in the market. But which version is preferred to install means earlier days, 1 year before onwards, Java 8 or 11 version is suggested to install. But nowadays, 11 or 17 version is suggested to install in your computers, because these are most compatible versions. Even if you work with Jenkins also, it is expected to install the 11 or 17 version only. Okay, na? So even if you search in Google also, it will show 11 or 17 is suggested. Okay, now let's try to install the Java 17, 11 or 17. Better we go with 17. So Java is a product of Sun Microsystem earlier, but nowadays it's a Oracle product. It was taken care by the Oracle. And Java is a free software. Anyone can download and install the Java in your system earlier days. But nowadays, for some limitations, we have to purchase a license for Java. Not for us, for developing perspective, okay, for practicing perspective, working with Java is a free, where in commercial terms, when we go with then we have to purchase a license for Java. Like suppose in organizations, any software you are using means everything is licensed one, you have to purchase the license. But whereas Java is free for home held people like you and me, practicing the Java, installing, and only we will be working with Java, free of cost for us. And in organizations, when you are developing any enterprise application, being in an organization also, there also Java is 100% free. Where the Java is applicable for price means is once you are deploying that of developing the enterprise application from the user end, that code shall be deployed into the servers. That needs to be deployed into the production servers. Once you are deploying the production server, that turns to the commercial terms. So end customers will use that application. When you deploy in a production server, end customers will use that application. In that, to run your application in server end, there you must purchase a license of Java. There it is applicable. So otherwise, rest everywhere is a free of cost. These terms and conditions change from 2019 April onwards. These terms and conditions has been changed. Okay, let's try to install Java 11 or 17 version in your system. And one more thing, most of the people have it doubt. So if you are downloading any software with respect to version, suppose tomorrow some new version comes, what happens? Old version will get upgraded with a new version. Generally the software does like this. But in the case of Java, now you are installing Java 11, later you are installing Java 17, later you are installing Java 19. It's not going to be upgrade. 11 dump will be there, 17 dump will be there, 19 dump will be there in your system after you installing. Yes or no? But what version of Java you are using is the matters. Once you are creating the projects, there we select you want to build a projects, you want to create a projects by 11 version, 17 version, 19 version. There you need to select which version of Java you prefer to build or execute the programs is the matters. Understanding what I'm saying there? Okay, so we can have as many versions of Java we can install, not an issue. Every version of Java will be exist in a system. Where you create a project is the matters. Based on what version of Java you want to build and execute the programs is the matters there. Okay, let's try to install Java first of all. Then after we will install the Eclipse. Without installing Java, even we cannot open the Eclipse also. Even Eclipse also depends on a Java only. Okay, na? Let's try to download and install the Java in your system. Tell me, whom can I make you presenter? Whom can I make you presenter to install in your system? Whom can I make you presenter to make install in your system? Please respond. Hello. Friends, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Here.
Yeah, please respond anyone. Whom can I make you presenter to get installed Java Eclipse in your system?
Yeah, mine.
Okay. Sahu, I'm making you presenter. Make presenter. Yeah, please accept. Yeah. Now, let's open one browser. Just search with what I said. Java SE Development Kit. Java SE Development Kit. Java SE, not ST. SE, which SE
Okay.
stands for Standard Edition. Java SE Development Kit. Click on search. There you click on Java download Oracle. One link is there. Second one. Down, down, down. Yeah. Yeah. Click on it. Here we can see latest 21 is there. Observe there. Java 21 and Java 17 available now. If we come little bit down we can see 8 or 11 also will be available. If we come little bit down, we can also see 8 and 11 also will be available. Scroll down. Happen right? There right? 8, 11 also is there. Now, I
Yeah.
said to go with either 11 or 17. These two are the most compatible versions. So better go with the 17. Go top 17 there. So there click on JDK 17. In that, to install Java, Java is the platform independent programming language. So where Java can install in any of the platform Linux, Mac and Windows, irrespective of the platforms, Java dumps are available. Here, Java is a platform independent programming language means where Java can build the programs in any platform, can execute the programs in any platform. That's the meaning says Java is a platform independent programming language. As everyone knows that every operating system having their own compiler to execute in that platform built programs to execute. So Linux has its own compiler. Mac having its own compiler. Windows having its own compiler to execute the Windows scripts. Okay, now? So Java can be installed in any platform and can write in any platform, can execute in any platform without any compiler dependencies. Suppose writing a Java program in Linux can execute in Linux platform and also can execute in Mac or Windows. So because there is no compiler dependencies, that's why Java is a platform independent programming language. Okay. Now, sorry, your system is Windows, right? So just click
Yes.
on Windows.
Yes.
If it is Mac means click on Mac and download Mac supported Java. If it is Linux means Linux supported Java needs to download. Windows means Windows related Java needs to download. Here, x64 installer 153.48 MB is there. Just click on it. Yeah. It is getting downloaded. 153.48 MB, right? So once Java get installed, then we can install it. Sir, earlier have you installed any Java version in your system? If it is there
No.
means please open C drive. In C drive program files, we can check once whether any Java version got installed or not. Even install also doesn't matter. Okay. Open C drive first of all. program files with
No
with the
Java.
character J? No, right? Okay. Even it is there also doesn't matter. I said n number of versions we can install, not an issue. Okay, fine. Yeah, almost download 80%, no? 130, 136, 137. Yeah. So open file, click open folder. Now double click to install Java into a system. It will come. It will come. Wait. Next. See, the Java is getting installed in C drive. Program files having a Java folder in that JDK 17 is getting installed. Okay, now click on next button. Click on close. Now go and check in the location C drive program files. The Java folder with JDK 17 is there or not.
Yeah, now it is available.
Yeah, JDK 17 is there. If we install 11, the JDK 11 also will come under this Java folder only. Okay, now n number of versions of Java we can install in your system. Okay, now Java got installed. Now let's try to download and open the Eclipse IDE. Where Eclipse IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. If you want to build any programs, if we want to execute any programs, if we want to debug any programs, there we use the IDE. Okay, Eclipse IDE. Okay, now let's try to search with a Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, where EE stands for Enterprise Edition. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. There you click on the first link. Yeah. Scroll down a little bit. More downloads, one box is coming. Have you observed? Come a little bit down. Come down. Yeah, more downloads. One box came right side. Yes.
Yes.
These are the available Eclipse versions where it needs to download. So from bottom to top is the latest versions of the Eclipse. Right here, any open source you're working means it's a best practice, not a mandate. Latest version should not prefer because it's open source, right? We no guarantee that how far it is working perfectly. So best practice, if any open source software you're working means below 1-2 version, below versions only you have to prefer. It's a best practice, not a mandate. Okay, na? You can go with 4.28 or 4.27. Even 4.29 also you can go because there is no issues. 4.29 also we are used for some batches, no issue is there. 4.29 also. Okay, you have taken 4.2, okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, come a little bit down, slowly scroll down. Wait here. Here, second heading, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developers, 518 MB is there. Noticed? Second heading. Yes, under the heading, right side we can see Windows, Mac OS, Linux is there. Like how you downloaded and installed Java irrespective of the platform. A similar way, Eclipse also will get downloaded and open irrespective platform only. Yours is Windows, open Eclipse, download Eclipse irrespective of the window. If it is Mac means Mac supported x86 64 will be downloaded. Okay? Yeah. So here one more information, like how Java n number of versions I said to install. Similar way, Eclipse also has many instances of Eclipse we can download and we can open also. Understanding? Now we are downloading this same version of Eclipse. Same one more time also you can download the same version of Eclipse, not an issue. N number of Eclipse instances we can open, but the workspace location will be vary Eclipse to Eclipse. Understanding what I'm saying? That in Eclipse, what we do, we build the programs, we debug the programs, we execute the programs. While building the programs, we will save in some location or not. In some workspace, we are storing all the created programs or not. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
So all these programs where will be stored in some workspace location, the D driver, C driver, in which path you want to store that will give that. So n number of Eclipses we can install, download and open, but the workspace location of each Eclipse should be vary. Getting what I'm saying that? Fine. Now let's take control of my system. Okay. Let me make myself as a presenter. Let it get downloaded, sir. After download that, you tell me, okay? So now, friends, sir, say I'm having, see, one Eclipse. I say I already downloaded one Eclipse. I open this. Say I like this. I have so many Eclipses in my system. Let me open one more Eclipse also. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? See. One more Eclipse I'm opening. See, the already open Eclipse, the workspace is April 2022 WT is the workspace. Now the Eclipse, one more instance of Eclipse, what I'm opening, that workspace will be different. Friends, after downloading the Eclipse, okay, now after downloading Eclipse, you will be having Eclipse like this in a zip file, friends. It will be like this in a zip file. After downloading is completed, it will be in a zip file. We have to right click and we need to extract here. Then it comes extracted file like this. Under this Eclipse blue color ball symbol, if I click means I can open the Eclipse IDE like this, where IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Okay, like this I can have multiple instances of Eclipse I can open, but the workspace location of each instance of Eclipse must be varied. See here, the Eclipse what I opened right now, that is August 2021 underscore WD. This is the workspace location. Another workspace, another Eclipse instance is April 2022 WD workspace. The workspace location is varying or not? Yes or no? Like this n number of Eclipses I can create. The workspace location should be different. Okay, na? Fine. Okay, in meanwhile, let's have some information. Yeah. Friends, now, what is the version of Java we are using? What is
17.
17 we are using? Okay, na? Fine. Friends, here, if you are purchasing any electronic goods or automobiles, like suppose say mobiles are there, we have series is there. So we have Apple is there, right? Apple phones. Now what is the series is going on? 15 or 17? What's going on? 14?
15.
15 is going on. Okay. Friends, here, version to version in Apple, they are releasing the products. Means version to version, there are some upgrades are there. Some features got included. Yes or no? Accordingly, for every version of Apple phone, will have its own specification document with respect to features. Yes or no? The existing features, some advanced features are getting included. That's why every version having its own manual documentation irrespective to the product features and specifications mentioned in that document. The same way, take the automobiles cars also. We have Shift Desire is there, like Maruti Vitara is there. We have various variants are there. LXI, VXI, ZXI, some variants are there. Variant to variant, some features are there. Yes or no? Accordingly, the documentations are printed to the with respect to the variants. LXI, VXI, ZXI. Yes or no? The similar way for softwares also we have a versions. See now Java 4 is there, 5 is there, 8 is there, 11 is there, 15 is there, 17 is there, 19 is there, 21 is there. These are the Java versions are there. Version to version softwares are getting launched means what happens? Some new libraries are getting introduced. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some new libraries are getting introduced. So accordingly, each version having its own API specification document. Like how the automobiles, how the mobiles have a specification document. Similar way for every software will have their own specification document. What the document contains means that version supported libraries are defined here. Old libraries and current new added features libraries also will be there in the API documentation. Okay. Now, what is the version of Java using means we are using 17 version in your system. So 17 having its own API specification document. If you're using 11 means 11 API specification document will be there. 8 you're using means 8 specification document is there. So which version are you using? That API document we have to use. Okay now? See here, I'm using 17, right? I'm searching in Java 17 API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. If you are installing 11 in your system means search with the Java 11 API. Okay now? Then overview Java SE 17 and JDK 17. Just click on this overview. See here, Java Platform Standard Edition and Java Development Kit version 17 API specification documentation. Okay. Here we can see Java SC. Okay. Almost anything you click. See here we can see modules are there. Modules, all are modules. Java.base, Java.compiler, Java.data transfer. They are given as a modules like this. Modules. So all the modules, the base module is Java.base is a basic module. Even any developer or even any software tester needs to understand the Java.base module. It's the basic. Okay. Go to the Java.base module. Defines the foundational APIs of the Java SC platform. When Java starts, the basic levels foundation, some libraries are defined. Those will be placed in the Java.base module. Just go inside this. Yeah. Defines the foundational APIs of a Java SC platform. Okay, this base model says like foundational APIs of the Java SC platform. In this module, we have some packages. Java.io, Java.lang, Java.lang annotations. Like this have some packages. If I go inside the packages, click any of the package. IO stands for input output. All the reading writing libraries will be placed in the java.io package. If I click on that package, here we can see some classes and interfaces are presented. Some classes. These are all the predefined libraries. These are all predefined libraries in the Java. Yes or no? Getting what I'm saying? That. So once you search Java 17 API or Java 11 API, we open this overview Java SC11 or SC17 comes. We just click on it. In this we can see base is the modules will be there. In this base module is the Java.base. In this we have so many packages are there. If I click on any of the package, inside the package we'll have some classes and interfaces. These are the predefined libraries defined by the Java community. Okay, na? So here what understood after downloading installing Java, then after we need to download and open the Eclipse IDE to build the programs, to execute the programs, to debug the programs. Okay. Next what to do? For to do that, first I need to create a Java project. First I need to create a Java project. Under the project, next what to do? I must create a packages. I must create the packages. Next, after package, next what I need to do? I can create a classes or interfaces. Classes or interfaces I can create. Okay, now. So first, let's try to understand. There are some standards are there to create a packages, classes, interface methods. Let me explain you the standards. Then we will start creating those project, package, classes, interfaces. Okay. Yeah. So as you know that once you created Java project, after creating Java project, we will create a packages. To creating the packages, uh, we must follow the standards. Every package name is starting with a Java, 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 Java. Observe here. Every package starting with a Java, Java like this, Java name. So because this is a Java project, the libraries will be maintained as a starting name as a Java, Java. If suppose you're working for ICICI Bank, every package name will be starting with ICICI, ICICI, ICICI like this. Okay, now? Yeah. See, we're creating the package, irrespective of the project, the package name starting with that project name only, Java, Java. This is the first thumb rule. And second thumb rule is every package name should start with a lowercase letter. See here, Java, Java. J is a lowercase or not? Okay, na? Lowercase. And third thumb rule is every package name should maintain as a dotted structure. See java.io, java.lang, java.lang.addition. Like this, I'm maintaining as a dotted structure. Is there any reason behind maintaining package as a dotted structure? Means, yes, there is a reason. So Java is one folder, IO is one folder. A subfolders is going to be created. Okay, now maintaining package in the data structure, it maintains a subfolders. Example to understand, if you want to organize the various languages movies in your system, what you do? Your favorite drive is the entertainment drive as a E. In that E drive, you go and create a movies folder. We will not stop there. Going inside the movies folder, we will be creating subfolders like English, Tamil, Hindi, Telugu. Subfolders we are creating in under the movies folder. And inside a languages movies folder, we'll go inside to the Hindi movie folder. In that we'll create a comedy movie subfolder, romantic movie subfolder, action movie subfolder. Okay, like this, we will be creating subfolders. In that subfolders, we are placing our movies. What is the reason behind maintaining like that? Tell me. Why we have to do like this? What is the advantage of doing like this? Easiness. Easy to access. Here, if suppose I want to watch the comedy movies in English, what I do, I go to the E drive, I go to the movies folder, I go to the English movie folder, I go to the comedy movie folder, and I pick one of the comedy movie of in English language. It's easy to access or not? A similar way, we maintain the packages like that. Here, java.io is that means where IO stands for input output. All the reading writing categories libraries are placed in the IO. So go to the Java folder, IO subfolder. In the IO subfolder, all the reading writing libraries should be there. See, if I click on Java.io package, see here we can see all the reading writing classes are there. Buffer input stream, buffered output stream, buffered reader, buffered writer, byte array input string, byte array output string. All reading writing libraries are placed in this IO package or not? Understanding? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, yeah. So maintaining package, everyone knows that first company domain name should be given as a starting package name, and every package name start with a lowercase letter and should maintain as a dotted structure in creating the package. So once you be inside the package, we can see some classes and interface are there. So to create a class and interfaces, we must follow some standards. Yes, if you can see buffered input stream, how many words are there in this thing? How many words are there? How many words are there? How many words are there in this?
19.
Three words. Three words are there. Buffered, input, stream. If you can observe in this name, it follows the camel case. Camel case means what? You know, camel, the neck will be very tall in the starting. The end part will be very low. Yes or no? The same way, buffered input stream. In every word, starting character will be the uppercase character. This kind of syntax we call as a camel case. Here, buffered B caps, input I caps, stream S caps. How many words are mentioned as a class name doesn't matter, but every word starting character must be the uppercase character. Buffered input stream, buffered B caps, input I caps, stream S caps. Even see buffered reader, buffered B caps, reader R caps. Not only classes, even interfaces also it follows the camel case. Here data output, data D caps, output O caps. File filter, file F caps, filter F caps. Is everyone clear? Okay, fine. Like this, while creating the packages, the standards needs to follow. While creating the classes interface also, we must follow the naming standards. Okay. Now, once I go inside the any class, the class will contains the some data fields, which are nothing but data properties, and some constructors and some methods. And some methods will be presented under the classes. The classes contains some data fields or data properties and some constructors and some methods will be available inside the class. See, if I want to create any methods, see the standards. See, suppose here in this method, mark is supported. How many words are there in this method? How many words are there in this method? 2 words. So mark unsupported. If you can observe, the standard of this 2 words are there. First word starting character must be lowercase. From second word onwards, starting character must be uppercase. Here everywhere only one word is the marker. Here as per rule, first word starting character must be lowercase. As the rule it is followed. If 2-3 words are there means first word starting character will be lowercase. From second word, third word onwards, starting character must be the uppercase. That's the standard for the methods needs to follow. Understanding? Okay. Even data fields also see everything same. Okay. We follow as a everything as a lowercase only. How many words are there? Every word should be there. Starting character must be the lowercase only. Constructor names, constructors will be same as a class standards. See buffer input stream. The same stand for class also, right? Constructor name will be same as a class standards. Buffer input stream constructor, see same uppercase, camel case. Okay. I hope everyone understood the standards while creating the packages, creating the classes and interfaces, creating the methods, variables, constructors, standards you understood, right? Now let's try to create a project. Sir, Sahu, is that completed downloaded?
Yes. Yes.
So let's come to you. Make presenter.
Sir, I am not. My name is Ram. I am not. Hello.
Sorry? Yes.
My name is Ramu, sir. I am not. I'll do it by tomorrow. So please, can you?
Yeah,
It will be done
yeah, no
tomorrow.
issues. No issues. Just follow the process, what I'm showing, okay?
Yeah, I'll try to
Yeah.
that. If anything, I'll let you know.
Yeah, sure. Sir, it was a zip file, sir. Can you please go back?
Okay.
It was a zip file, right? See, compressed
Yeah.
file. You have to extract it. Click on extract all. Click on extract all. Extract all. So click on extract. It was a zip file. We need to extract it. Then only we can open the Eclipse. In that Eclipse, see, for the first time, once you are opening Eclipse, it is asking the workspace. I said, right? How many instances of Eclipse you want to open as you wish, but every Eclipse workspace should be vary. Yes or no? Will be vary. So the default workspace when you open the Eclipse is the C drive, users with your username, Eclipse-workspace. This is the workspace default path everyone will have. C drive slash users slash with your respective username slash Eclipse-workspace. This is the default workspace for everyone. Once you try to open Eclipse, this is the workspace will be giving. If you are okay with that workspace, means keep as it is and you can click on next to take that same workspace, or you don't want that workspace, so you can change the workspace location there itself when you're opening Eclipse. I'll show you how to change the workspace also, okay? Like this, n number of instances of Java we can install, n number of Eclipse also we can install, friends. And here, um, when we are creating the Java projects, here it is the matter. Creating the Java project with 11 version, 17 version, 19 version, 8 version, there it is matters while creating the projects in the Eclipse. Okay, na? In which version of Java you build the projects, the same version of Java only we have to execute the projects. Developing with 11 version, executing with the 17, it's not correct. It will not accept. Getting what I'm saying there? Which version you use to build, the same version you have to execute. Almost 70% is completed. Extraction.
Yes, sir. It's completed.
It's completed.
Yes.
Now, are you into the extracted folder only?
Yes. Yes.
No, go one
Yes.
step back. Okay, fine. No, go one step back, sir. Go one step back.
Okay.
Downloads. Go to downloads. Downloads folder. Extracted folder. Okay. Extracted folder. Go inside. Yeah. Yes. Eclipse. There. Blue color Eclipse ball. Yeah. Click on it. The first time you're opening Eclipse site, it's taking some time
Yes.
to load all the necessary files. So while opening the Eclipse, it was asking the workspace. I said default workspace will be C drive user with your respective username and Eclipse -workspace. This is the default workspace. It is prompting. This is the one here. C users. Your username is 91998 and Eclipse -workspace. Are you comfortable with this workspace to store your projects, or do you want to change the workspace?
Let it be there. No.
Comfortable?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you're not comfort means you can click on browse and you can change the location where the workspace you want. Okay. Yeah. Next, check the checkbox. Wait. Use this as a default and don't ask again. If you don't check this, what happens? Every time you're opening Eclipse asking you want the same workspace, it will be prompting. Check that checkbox. Click on launch. See, Eclipse -workspace is showing in top left. Observe. Eclipse -workspace. This is the workspace you selected, correct? Yeah. Now, down we can see some welcome screen. Welcome, some cross mark is there. Can you please close the cross mark of welcome? Yeah. This is the Eclipse. In this Eclipse environment, where we are going to be create a projects, we are going to be create a packages, where we're going to be create a classes and interfaces in this Eclipse IDE. Hope everyone understood how to install Java, how to open the Eclipse. Is everyone clear till here? Okay. So tomorrow I'll show you how to create a project, how to create a package with the standards, how to create a classes interface with standards. We'll see what is a Java class. Also, we'll discuss detailing in tomorrow's session.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, could you just tell me the path, sir, so that we'll write that how to create this one, Eclipse.
Which one, sir?
Eclipse, how to download.
Okay. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Search with this keyword. Okay, na?
Okay.
Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. EE stands for Enterprise Edition. Okay.
Okay. Then?
Yeah, that's it. So friends, you'll be get the recordings. You'll get the recordings. Okay. So please complete your payments. If you complete your payments, you'll get the recordings. You'll get the soft copy material. You'll get the source code. Everything will get. Okay. Yeah. Okay, friends. Done for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Same timing with same link. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.